Namaskaram. So this is Ramakrishna, high school social teacher in Sri Chaitanya School, Meghaluru. So last class we discussed about India map and Indian states and capitals. Now let us discuss about world map. Okay. So world map. In the world map we are going to locate oceans and continents. Oceans and continents. So actually our earth being like a spherical shape. Spherical nothing but ball shape. So among that on earth there is 21% water, sorry 21% land and 79% water located on earth. Okay, so on earth 21% land, 79% water covered on earth. So this 21 land divided into some continents, that is 7 continents. So this land is divided into 7 continents and water bodies are divided into 5 big oceans. 5 oceans. Okay. So continents nothing but land masses. Large land masses is called as a continents. There are 7 continents are there in the world. So as well, land water bodies, mass water bodies are called as a oceans. That is water bodies divided into 5 oceans. Now let us discuss about land forms, okay, or land continents. Okay. So 7 continents. Now we are going to discuss about continents from biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. Number 1, biggest continent in the world, Asia. Okay. Number 2, Africa. Number 3, North America. North America. Okay. 4th, South America. Next, 5th one, Antarctica. 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 Okay. Next, 6th one, Europe. Europe. Next, last one, Australia. Australia. So there are 7 continents are there. Now I located here biggest to smallest. So biggest continent in the world is Asia. Second biggest continent Africa. Third biggest North America. Next South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Biggest continent is Asia. Smallest continent is Australia. Okay. Second smallest continent is Europe. Okay. Second biggest continent is Africa. So we have to learn like a frequency. Okay. So these are 7 continents in the world. Now let us locate in the world map these 7 continents. Okay. See first Asia. So Asia where located in the world map? Before going to discuss about continents, now see here 3 lines are passes through on this world map. Did you see? So this middle line is 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude. So 0 degree latitude is called as a equator. Equator. So 0 degree latitude is called as a equator. Next, upon this equator, this is the 23 and half north latitude. 23 and half north latitude. This 23 and half north latitude is called as a Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Cancer. So see once observe, this Tropic of Cancer passes through in middle of India. See, this is India. Okay. So it is divided into 2 equal parts of the India, that is North India, South India. So you have to keep in mind this Tropic of Cancer passes through in middle of India. Okay. So next, see once down part of the equator, one more line we are seeing here, dark lines. So this line is called 23 and half south latitude. 23 and half south latitude. So this 23 and half south latitude is called as a Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay. So this is the equator, 0 degree latitude equator. 23.5 north latitude Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 south latitude is Tropic of Capricorn. So this main important latitudes which is passes through in the on the world map. Okay. Now let us discuss about continents. So first biggest continent is Asia. Asia. So this total from year to year, this total part is called Asia. So it is the biggest continent in the world. Okay. Second biggest continent is Africa. Africa. So this is second biggest continent in the world, Africa. Okay, this total part is Africa. Next, third biggest continent is North America. North America. Okay, North America. Next, fourth biggest continent is South America. So total is South America, which is least safe. From year to year, total this is part South America. This is the fourth biggest continent in the world. Next, see once you see this down part, this also one of the continent. This is Antarctica. Antarctica. Antarctica continent. So this is the fifth biggest continent in the world. Okay. Next, after Antarctica, Europe. Europe. Okay. Next, last one, seventh one. This is the Australia. Australia. Okay. See, this is the location of continents on world map. Okay. Once again, see Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica. This total part Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. These are 7 continents we located on the world map. So now see, which is the smallest continent here? Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Biggest Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Second smallest continent. See, Europe. One time they asked in the exam, which is the second smallest continent? That is the Europe. Okay, not Antarctica. Okay. So these are important continents. Next, now let us discuss about oceans. So oceans, this also we have to learn. You can see first biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Okay, it is the biggest ocean in the world. Second one, Atlantic Ocean. Next, third one, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Okay. Next, fourth one, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Antarctic Ocean called as a Southern Ocean. Okay. Next, fifth one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean. This Arctic Ocean called as a Northern Ocean. Northern Ocean. So these are important oceans. So first one, see Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean or Northern Ocean. This is biggest to smallest. Smallest to biggest means Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Okay. So we have to learn like a frequency, then we won't forget. Okay. Now let us location this ocean spot in the world map. Locations in the world map. See, first biggest ocean in the world, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. So from here to this total part Pacific Ocean. This total part Pacific Ocean. And we have to locate here also. This part also belongs to Pacific Ocean only. This total part also belongs to Pacific Ocean League. Already we know directions. So this is the north, okay, south, east, west. Let it be, it is world map or India map or Andhra Pradesh map or local map. So direction should be like this only. Top part north, bottom part south, this side east, this side west. So this is the four directions on world map or any map. Okay. So first, if they will ask Pacific Ocean, we have to locate here or here, east side or west side. So this totally belongs to Pacific Ocean only. Okay, because our Earth being like a spherical shape. Okay, so for example, see, now we are seeing like this. This is world map, but our Earth being like a spherical shape, like this, round shape. So if you draw one line, see once, I am drawing this line. So one circle I am drawing on the white paper. So this is a Pacific Ocean. Now I am removing like this. See now, see, once see, our part came this side and our part came this side. Is it or not? This is east side, this is west side. So now world map we are seeing like a flat, not like a spherical shape on. So that's why looking like this. So you have to locate Pacific Ocean or east side or west side. Okay, in Pacific Ocean you have to locate east side or west side. Okay, like this. See, once observe this half circle came this side, half circle came this side. Is it or not? Right. So this is the first biggest ocean, not only biggest ocean but also deepest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, largest ocean and deepest ocean in the world. Next, second biggest ocean. What is the shape of this Pacific Ocean? In oval shape, means ocean. Okay. Next, second biggest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. So this total part is belongs to from year to year. This total part Atlantic Ocean. This Atlantic Ocean located between Africa, Europe, and America and South America. This between four continents. Okay, America, South America, North America, South America, Africa, and Europe. This middle part is called as a Atlantic Ocean. Second biggest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. It is located like a S shape. See, it is looking like a shape from here to here. So this total part is belongs to Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. It is the second biggest ocean in the world. Next, third biggest ocean in the world, that is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. You want to see this total part, down part of the India, it is India. Down part of India, this total water bodies which is located between Africa and Australia. Africa and Australia, and down part of the Asia. This total part is belongs to Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. This third biggest ocean in the world. So what is the shape of this ocean mean? M shape. See once, if you observe this one, looking like a M shape. Is it or not? So this is the Indian Ocean. Third biggest ocean, Indian Ocean. Next ocean, that is located near the Antarctic continent. So that's why this fourth biggest ocean is Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Why they are calling Antarctic Ocean? Because it is located near the Antarctic continent. Or this nowadays they are calling Antarctic Ocean like a Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean. It is located from here to here. Total this south part. So that's why they are calling Southern Ocean, because this ocean is located near the South Pole. Is it or not? So that's why this ocean got Southern Ocean. So Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean located from here to here. This total part is called as a Southern Ocean. This is the fourth biggest ocean. Next, last ocean, Arctic Ocean. It is located top part of the world on these continents. Suppose above the North America and Europe, Asia. This total part, Arctic Ocean. See once. This fifth place, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is called as a Northern Ocean. What is it? So Arctic Ocean is called as a Northern Ocean. Why they are calling Northern Ocean? Because it is located near the North Pole. Okay. So this ocean located near the North Pole. That's why this ocean is called as a Northern Ocean. It is the smallest ocean in the world. Okay. So this is the ocean part. See once again. Let us discuss once again. See Pacific Ocean. This is Pacific Ocean located here or this side. This is the biggest ocean, but also deepest ocean in the world. Okay. So next, second biggest ocean is Atlantic Ocean. This total part Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Next, Indian Ocean, third biggest. Indian Ocean. It is located down part of the India between Africa and Australia. This total part. Okay. Next, Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Nowadays they are calling only Southern Ocean, not calling Antarctic Ocean. Okay. So Southern Ocean is located this total south part of the our continent. Next, last one, Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is called as a Northern Ocean because Northern Ocean is located in the northern northern pole. Okay. So this is about continents and oceans. Now let us discuss some important mountains in the world. Okay. See, there are some part of mountains are there. Among that, Folders Mountains, very important mountains located in the world. Okay. So now see. Rocky Mountains. See once, if they cross mountains, you have to show symbol like this. So this is the Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountains located in the Rockies Mountains. So Rocky Mountains located in the North America. It is extends from here to here. So North America has important mountains, that is the Rocky Mountains. Okay. Same as this also best example of Folders Mountains. Next one more. Here see once. Here also in South America also has some mountains. This is mountains is called as a Andes Mountains. What is this? Andes Mountains. Andes Mountains. So Andes Mountains are located in the South America. Rocky Mountains located in the North America. Next, Europe also has some mountains. So this total part Europe. Okay. So here some mountains are there. This also best example Folders Mountains. That mountains is called as a Alps Mountains. Alps Mountains. Alps Mountains are located in the Europe. It is also best example of Folders Mountains. Next, in Africa also two types of mountains are there. These two types of mountains is example of these Folders Mountains. One is Atlas Mountains. Atlas Mountains. Next, Drakensberg Mountains. Drakensberg Mountains. So, Africa has two mountains, important mountains, one Atlas Mountains and Drakensberg Mountains. Okay, so Drakensberg Mountains. Next, Himalayas. Already you know, Himalayas are located in the Asia. So, it is also best example of Folders Mountains. Okay, Himalayas. Himalayas. So, every continent has some mountains. So, like Rocky Mountains in North America, Andes Mountains in South America, next Alps Mountains in the Europe, Atlas Mountains in the Africa, and same as Drakensberg Mountains also located in the Africa, and Himalayas are located in the Asia, and Australia also has some mountains like Great Dividing Ranges. Great dividing ranges. Ranges nothing but mountains. Okay. So Great Dividing Ranges also located in the Australia. So these are important mountains. Now see some important group of highlands. Okay. So here some group of highlands we are seeing in the between Asia and Australia, which are located in the Pacific and Indian Ocean. See, this group of islands is called as a Indonesia. What is this? Indonesia. Indonesia. So Indonesia. So what is the importance of Indonesia? I mean, Indonesia is called as a Dutch East Indies. Okay, Dutch East Indies. So Indonesia. What is the special of Indonesia? I mean, it is the largest group of island in the world. Okay. So next, about the Indonesia, some group of island we are seeing. This is Philippines group of island. Philippines group of island. Next, about the Philippines group of island, some more group of island is there. This is Japan. Keep in mind, Japan, very important. Japan. So Japan country is called as a sunrise of in the world. Sunrise of in the world. This is Japan. Okay. Besides of Japan, North Korea and South Korea. Okay. This is North Korea. This is South Korea. Okay. South Korea, North Korea also near the Japan. Total, do you know this one? This is China. Okay. India. Next, see here some group of island located between North America, South America. See once this group of islands. So this group of island is called as a West Indies. West Indies. So West Indies is called one more name, that is the Caribbean group of island. Caribbean group of island. So Caribbean group of island, one more name, West Indies. Okay. So some important countries are there in the West Indies like Jamaica, Cuba, like this. Okay. So this is West Indies or Caribbean group of island. Who founded this Caribbean group of island or West Indies? Have you know? So already we know. So this West Indies or Caribbean group of island founded by the Columbus in the 1492. 1492. Okay, very important. 1492 Columbus he founded Italian traveler. He founded this group of islands, that is the West Indies. Actually he wanted to find out sea route to India, but suddenly by mistake he came to west side and he founded this group of islands. So that's why this group of islands got West Indies. West Indies. Okay. So next see here some group of islands located near the Europe. This is the UK. What is this? UK. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. So United Kingdom, there are some countries, a group of countries like Scotland, Ireland, England, Wales. Scotland, Ireland, England, Wales. These four places are called as a UK, United Kingdom. What is the capital of England? London. Okay, London. So before 1947, who ruled our India? England people only. England people or English people. Okay. So this is. About that this UK, one more land is there, that is the Iceland. About the Iceland, one big Iceland is there. This is the Greenland. What is this? Greenland. Greenland. Okay. So this. Now important sea. One important sea located between Europe and Africa. Europe and Africa. Here see once. So this is Italy. This part, total part is Italy, looking like a leg shape. So this is the middle of this Europe and Africa, Mediterranean Sea. What is this? Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea located between Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea located between Europe and Africa. Europe and Africa. Okay. Next see here. This is Black Sea. Black Sea. Next, beside of Black Sea, one straight line. This is a Caspian Sea. What is this? Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. Black Sea, Caspian Sea. So this is Aral Sea. Aral Sea. So three seas very important here. That is the Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Aral Sea. Next, one more water body is located here. That is the above Europe between this is Norway, Sweden, down part of the Norway, Sweden, Finland, this Europe. This water body is called as a Baltic Sea. What is this? Baltic Sea. So this is the important water bodies. So this matter total useful for primary and high school also. Okay. So what we discussed about this continents, oceans. There are 7 continents, oceans, some important group of islands, some important countries, and important water bodies. I mean seas also we located in the world map. Thank you.